Moving on, let's take a look at the next page. C. Think about jobs. What don't you want to be? Let's take a look here. What don't you want to be? What do you want to be? Complete the outline. Number 1. I don't want to be a policeman. This is my idea. Policeman. Why? I don't like handling bad people. And I also don't like being in dangerous places. However, me, Teacher Damien Amsyar, I want to be, let's say, a chef. Why? Because I like eating. And I love cooking. I like cooking. So, this is my outline of what I want to be and what I don't want to be. Moving on to the next question. Let's take a look at the next question. We have, now write a paragraph about jobs. Use your words from C. Choose new words 2. Then draw the job you want. Now let's write this down. I don't want to be a policeman because I don't like handling bad guys, bad people, and being in dangerous places. However, I want to be a chef because I like eating and I enjoy cooking good and delicious food. So this is my paragraph. How about you all try and write your own? It could be anything. It could be becoming a chef or a baker or a police officer or a fireman or a teacher, just like me right now. Let's move on to the next one. Now, I would like you all to write about a friend. What doesn't he or she want to be? What does he or she want to be and why? That's all for today's video. I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you for watching and listening. I'll see you here next time.